On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Good morning. What's going on? Gang, 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 gang. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Let's go, let's go, let's go. It's family day here in Canada. What day is it in the US? I think it's something. I don't know what it is. We have family day because they know in Canada, after you shoveled 4 feet of snow in the last 2 days. Honestly, the snowbanks are like 7 feet tall. Like, I can't see my neighbors anymore. President's Day. That's it. Yeah, we're not that patriotic, obviously. We can't even win a hockey game anymore. Yeah. You know what? Canada deserves to friggin' lose when they boo a national anthem. Okay? It is unacceptable for my kind and sorry-ass country to boo a national anthem. Okay? We deserve to get our asses handed to us. So thank you, Americans, for teaching us a lesson in kindness, not being a douche canoe. Oh, Canada's too nice. Canada's too nice. We got our asses whooped. But the last time Canada, let's just say this. The last time Canada lost, okay, we lost to the USA. The last time we lost to the USA in a hockey game, after that, this happened, okay? I'm going to show you guys. The goal of all goals, the golden goal, Sidney Crosby. Sidney Crosby scored the gold medal goal for Team Canada. I was just a little kid then, and we won gold medal against the USA. You guys remember that, Mr. USA? So there is redemption to be had. The story is not over. But is the story over for crypto? We'll have to wait and see. My God. Good morning to all of you absolute legendary Otterly family people. That's why we call it the Otter family in the Discord, because you guys are the Otter family. So let's see some otters in the chat from the Otter family. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you for being here, even on this beautiful holiday where we have very choppy volatility, and we'll look to see if we can make some money off of it. as we always do. Okay, the account is loaded. We're ready to go. And you guys are looking awfully beautiful this morning, okay? Awfully beautiful. Now, if the internet messes up, my excuse is going to be that there is about 5, 6, 7 feet of snow outside. Like I can't see out the window. Okay? Like it's a lot of snow. It's a lot of snow. So, thank you everybody for being here. I appreciate you guys. And let's jump into the charts because we got a lot of work to do after all this volatility. Yeah, there was some good fights. Yeah. You know, as a kid, they call it buckets. So when you're like in Canada and you're in the dressing room, your team, you'll have your helmets on and your gloves on, and you'll actually practice fighting each other. It's called buckets. It's a game. I don't know if they do it anymore. They're probably too woke to play buckets anymore. But growing up as a kid, you would play buckets, okay? And you would have just your helmet and your gloves on, and you would have a fight with your helmet and gloves on to practice for when it really had to be thrown down. I don't know. Put a 1 in the chat if you've played buckets. Probably some of my Canadian friends have. What's going on, Massey? Good to see you. Clay the Great, JR, let's go. EN, forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. Tony Soprano went through the Discord and kicked a whole bunch of people. Thank you for doing that, Tony. Keeping the community safe, and you don't mess around with the Tony. Tony will feed you to the pigs, okay? Forget about it. Let's go. I went to the fights this weekend and the hockey game. Let's go. Scadwick Gaming. Welsh Jesse. Finn. Good morning. Paul Caruso. Let's go. USA Hockey. Yeah, we deserved an ass kicking, in my opinion. Coming down into view up here. A little bit of standard deviation up at the highs here. Rolling over. Okay. You could be looking for something like this if we want. I don't know. Mitigation of the high in here. Oop. Is that legit? Yeah, okay. Yeah, so very, very choppy, my friends. Remember, stock market's closed today. I don't know if we're going to find anything. We're going to try our best, though. Okay? Wow, okay. It's a big range. It's a big... We might have to double down on our volume today. I don't know. Position size, we're going to double the position size. It doesn't look like we're going to get much movement today. Scadwick Gaming, John Foster, Crypto Zena, I'm a Okima. Shredder, what's going on? Jesse, good luck. Mo 2, Steve Hickey, good morning, Otter. Gang. Biggest uppercuts ever thrown with skates. Paul Caruso, Donato Cabrera. Some of the best names in all of crypto, I would say. You guys should start a podcast. This is Paul Caruso and Donato Cabrera. I think you guys would do well. I'd send everybody over to you guys. Our Pink, Crypto Birdie, Al Jr., Albino Rhino, Army Piper, what's going on, bro? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Happy Family Day, family, man. Piper Academy, their family. Jay Violet, Dylan, what's going on? John, Crypto Birdie, BW John, good morning to you guys. Trump's going to put a 2-goal tariff on hockey. Let's go. Let's go. Good to see everybody in here. Darren doing things. Mad love to you, my friend. Good to see you guys. All set. Good to see you as well. Jay Violet, Glory Wolf, Darshan. Good morning to you. Thank you guys for being here. Al Jr., what's going on, man? Good to see you as well. Look at all the otters in the chat, man. You guys are incredible. Thank you guys for being here. Much love to every single one of you. IKO Melissa, good morning. What do you guys think about the group photo? I got one more person to add. Jake Pearson, you're semi-lurker. Do you have a semi while you're lurking, or you're just a semi-lurker? See you. Good morning. Remo, good morning. Good to see you as well. Hotto Crypto. VW John, it's my birthday. Please check your cream coin, your bum cream coin. Is that called Sudocrem or something? We're not going to look at that, but happy birthday, Robert. Happy birthday. Good to see you guys in here. Much love to every. So when Otter Gang hoodie, I'm putting it all together. I hope to have it done and set up on Printify this week, and then a shop on Shopify. It's a bit of a headache, but I'll figure it out. I'll get it all ready for you guys, hopefully, and we'll all be ready to be styling, profiling. I got one more to add here, okay? I got one more to add in here. Sorry for the flashbang. We even have R.S. Miller as the pooch down in here, okay? Made a little background, all that good stuff. We got to add in, I think I have a fishing otter to put in here, so. And Dave Digital over here, you see Dave Digital with his beard? He's got to make sure he doesn't touch Alexandra G's butt over here, okay? You touch Alexandra G's butt, Dave Digital, you're going to be in trouble with me. I'll have words with you, bro. I'll have words with you. Don't be messing around. Okay? So, got to keep it PG in here. Thank you, everybody, for being in here. It is a holiday, okay? So let's not get overly excited. And let's kick some ass, take some names. Very, very choppy this morning, okay? We're making a set of higher lows here. We have mitigated the high up at the top here. Why not do the gang as a canvas print? You'll have to message me, man. I'm so swamped, Darren. If you have some suggestions, just send me a message, bro. And just I'm trying to put it all together while I mean the TA and the live streams and the teaching is gonna come first. So just so busy, man, trying to keep everybody happy. I mean, if you looked at my inbox, I have had to go through every single one of those. I had to remove the background, cut out the pieces, staple it all together, layer it all together. Look, I have all of your submissions. I had to okay, I've done that one. 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 I don't see a Darren Does Things in here. I could have just stayed with the original. Now, the original is going to be available as well. I did all the lettering, which one you want, trading is waiting, la da 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 da. Oh my God. Guys, I'm a carpenter. I'd much rather build a house than put JPEGs together, okay? But I'm doing it for the gang. There's always an intention to have some sort of merch for the Otter gang. You guys love your otters. And I think it looks pretty good so far. So trying to do right by it. And set it and forget it. What happens between two consenting adults stays between two consenting adults. Dave. I appreciate you too, Darren. I appreciate you, bro. Dave, it's good to see you, bro. It's good to see you. Keep your hands to yourself. Yeah, Dom looking to drop, East looking to pump. So East popped off last night. 4%, whoop-de-doo. East got a lot of work to do, man. It's got to get above 2,900 in my opinion. We'll see if we do get there. But it did pop off, okay? Yeah, a little bit of hopium. Dominance coming down a little bit. This is still strong, okay? Just another higher low, right? If we're trying to pick it apart. Dominance coming down, yeah. I mean, dominance is very... I would like to see it come to 66%. Bitcoin ripping alongside with dominance ripping, and then eventually we come down March, April. That's kind of my thought. We'll see how it happens, but we'll see how it happens. I mean, today is a holiday. We do have an interesting week ahead of us, so we are prepared as well. Just looking around what we got here. So we do have some building permits and the minutes this week on Wednesday, and then we got a good old existing home sale. So nothing like very, very dramatic. I think most signs are going to point, people speaking. Pretty quiet week, okay? most things are going to be waiting, in my opinion, till the following week when we have more jobs data. That's going to be the interesting one. But for now, this is not bad for a trading week because very little interruptions. That's how I look at it. Okay, I just look at it as, okay, yeah, we get some building permits and stuff, but it's not going to be dramatic to the sense that it's going to really, really affect our trading day. So we're prepared. And right now it's chopped. So looking here, what do we have really on Bitcoin? Understanding where we're at, what's going on, how we're trying to trade this thing, and what opportunities really has there been. And not a lot, right? If we're looking at this on a daily, what do we simply see is that we have been indecisive, right? If we're going back to our weekly candle that we got yesterday, we can see that this is the epitome of I don't know what the fuck we're doing, okay? Pardon my language, but that's literally what this is saying, in my opinion, okay? It just doesn't know, right? It doesn't know. It doesn't close higher, doesn't close lower, just closes as spinny, toppy, indecision as you can get. We got it, okay, on that weekly candle. So, you know, we're prepared. We're prepared. That's all we can be, right? And we got to isolate price and try to break it down. The hopium that I was talking to you guys was on the 2-day, but guess what's happening on the 2-day now? We are printing a red dot. Now, this isn't confirmed. Okay, we need another candle to confirm it. So by tomorrow, we need a pushback. Okay, we want this to push back. This can completely change. However, it's not looking good. Not looking good. Okay, this looks to be pushing down. So we'll see what happens. We have an anchor trigger wave forming on the daily. Anchor trigger wave. Red dot, though. Red money flow. VWAP crossover to the downside. So this is looking mid to late week bullish and short-term bearish, in my opinion. But also understanding that, hey, we're really in the middle of a range. We have not moved a hair left or right. We are just here. Okay, we are stuck in the middle with you, which is fine. We like a range. We can trade a range. But we understand the environment. The environment is everything right now. If we're trading this, we have to understand that this is round trip price action, meaning we are going to go back to where we started a lot of the time. Therefore, we need to be paying ourselves, maximizing our profits, and taking the money and running. Okay? Which is good for a scalper, right? As scalpers, we can come in, take a little bit of profits, and run away. Okay, it just impedes us from, you know, scalping along in here or in here and it running. Okay, the running part is not so happening right now. We can see that we are very much in this, and it probably wants to either do this or it wants to do this. Okay, we're in here. We're stuck in the middle together. But at least the best part of the Twinkie is in the middle. Okay, I don't know why I went there, but I went there. It's family day, baby. Let's go. Okay, 12-hour, we do have a trigger wave to the upside. Money coming out quite aggressively. VWAP overextended to the downside. Could possibly push up. This could be our 3 drives to the upside, okay? Very possible, very bullish if it does play out. Not betting, you know, the whole house on it. Just being aware of what's kind of materializing here. And then we have a big anchor wave on the 4-hour, suggesting that we're waiting for a trigger wave, right? We're going to be waiting for this. So a big rollover here, right? The hopium, the higher low. Can we bounce from here and continue out? Not for me to decide. For me to participate in if we get the opportunity. However, this is a lot of liquidity above us, and we have some below us. Okay, not a hell of a lot below us, but some. Okay, so we're prepared. We have our key levels and everything like that. And we'll see how the price materializes today. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Make sure you guys are saying good morning and saying what's up. We got 200 people in here. It's going to be a slower day. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good to see you, Crypto Princess. Good morning. Jesse Galluck, all set. VW John, Jake Pearson. I'm going to Vancouver at summer for my honeymoon. Beautiful. Beautiful. Go up. I would go to. I'd go up north, man. I mean, there's some beautiful mountains up there. I would check out. I mean, I love Canmore and Banff, but it's pretty over there too. Lots of good hiking, lots of good scenery. I love it over there. Love them mountains. Good morning, Massey. Good to see you. Felipe, Colin, good morning. Airdropper, what's going on? Good to see you guys in the chat. Dominance has 4-hour confirmed blood diamond. Let's go. Let's go. Do you really use blood diamonds on dominance? Is that a thing? I don't know if I even have a market site for A on here. Ooh, yeah, let's go. Ooh. Let's go. Darren pointed it out. See, this is the importance of community. You can't always see everything, right? So, it's so important to have a community that, brings you information, brings good quality. Can you please take a few minutes to look at OM and the price action of that thing is so weird. Is it manipulation? I'm sure it is. ETH is probably popping off so it can disappoint again. Very choppy this morning here. Crypto Princess Buck, good morning to you. Good to see you, Massey. All set. Jay Violet, Jeffrey Stone Cypher. What's going on, man? Good to see you guys as well. So you want me to look at OM. You know how much TA I do on altcoins these days. What's going on, Little Fish? Good to see you as well. Like 52 is Dave Digital. We got 60 likes here. You guys want me to just sign off and go spend time with my family? I don't mind. That's why I start my day watching The Otter. The Otter. My pronouns are Lord Otter and King Beaver, Army Piper, but I appreciate The Otter. The Otter works too. The Otter. Lewis, good morning. Crypto Ace, good to see you as well. Alexander, today's East Pump Day. Let's go. Let's go. Good lazy morning. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, this is nasty. Let's look at OM. I don't know what you want me to say about this. You know what I'm gonna say about this? Probably looks like this dominance. No, we don't want dominance. We just want perps. Yeah. Okay. Jesus. Jeez. Yeah. This looks like a trouble. This looks like if you believe in this coin, you buy it on spot. Okay. That's kind of how I would treat it. So what you do get here is you typically get a retest of previous highs. That's how I would treat it. Okay. Whenever you're breaking out, you typically revisit previous highs for a bounce. Okay. So right now your retest is $6.60. Right? You have the dragon pattern here. You have a nice little snail trail followed by the tail here. And then this big dragon head, right? Rah, rah. That's my fire. Okay. I can make it red if you want, if that makes it better. But yeah, this is not looking super pump, right? So I would look for chop, retest continuation. This was an extension level I did for some people. Look at that. Target hit. And then you got bullish momentum. So you could track bullish momentum as well. Look for the return back into this area in here. You could pull a fib. You could go swing low to swing high. You could go 382 bounce level. Okay. Fibonacci bounce level would be in here as well. So you could look at that as well. I'm not trying to be a smartass. Just like something like this is like, that's where you're looking. Okay. Okay, a little Fugazi pump here. This is not a lot of price action, right? This is a 0.2% move. It looks a lot more dramatic than it is, but it's not that big of a move, okay? It's not that big of a deal. So, how's your guys' sentiment? Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Are you feeling optimistic now that ETH is moving up a little bit? I don't think we're out of the woods yet. I don't think we're there yet. We got a long way to go. Long way to go. Yeah. I'm the bearer of bad news this morning. Same with Solana. It's got to hold 180. 180's got to hold for Solana. Yeah, market looks like turd. Okay. 218 people here, 63 likes. So that's pretty good. That's good considering it's a holiday. Happy President's Day. Happy Family Day in Canada. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. Looking for a trade. It's going to be a tough one here. This is what we normally trade. And look at this, trying to fit this into our beautiful trading. We're ready to go here. We've reloaded the account. We've taken our profits. We got our $10,000 to start the week. We're ready to go, baby. So we'll see how it goes. And kick ass, take names, no prisoners, all that good stuff. Happy to be here with you guys. Those are rookie numbers. Let's go. Always optimistic. I am flattish. East bounced, yeah. I am in the meh zone. Hey, man, you have a stop loss when you enter a trade? Yes. I don't like calling it a stop loss. I like to call it like invalidation. Like, when am I wrong? And can I be cheap as possible with being wrong? So like if I was long here, like I'm wrong if we close below this low here, right? Invalidation point is going to be so critical when trading, right? Understanding that, hey, if I'm short here and we start pushing above this high in here, then I'm wrong. And that's really how I would like to look at it. Like a stop loss is so important, right? Like you need to understand your risk. Then you can worry about your reward after, right? This is a non-negotiable, right? If you want to be successful, you got to make sure you're using proper risk management. We could be looking at VWAP here for a potential bounce right now. We got a little bit of head and shoulders on the bottom here. Trying to push out. Yeah, probably revisit. Very choppy. Very choppy. Yeah, so always stop loss. Always making sure that we are prepared. If you do want to know the risk to reward we trade here, this is it. Do you like Bitunix? Yes, I do. We can trade over on Bitunix if you want. But it is a new exchange, okay? It is a new exchange that we are happily sponsored by. We've done our research on them. Great reserves, good liquidity, moves a lot better compared to some other exchanges. And yeah, I like it. We do have a new link for that and a promotion going on right now. If you do want to use our link down below, that would be kind of cool. Them supporting us, supporting the little guy, man. That's what it's all about. Yeah, so we got our little Bitunix here. You deposit 50, you get 10, you know. A pretty good little reward here. So a pretty good little exchange. You know, we don't shill exchanges that much on here because we're very cautious about promoting things that we're uncertain of. Here, I'll share the link if you do want to use the exchange. I would appreciate you guys supporting the channel, but you don't have to, right? You don't have to. What we do here is we make sure, you know, I started trading on FTX. So like, I always make sure Kyle and I do this, but we go through, we check the rep, we check the liquidity, we check the reserves. We make sure that it's a good exchange, as good as it can be, right? Before we share it out. That's why BingX, MexC, BloFin, and now Bitunix are part of our arsenal of trading exchanges. Okay, I do like the liquidity on Bitunix. It's actually really good. I have had quite a good play on there. Always want to like do my due diligence on there and make sure that it is trade worthy. Okay, especially for you people. You guys, I do my best to protect the new person as much as possible. Will you be using Antarctic Exchange? I will not be using Antarctic Exchange for now. I'll have a play. Like I said, I will have a play with Antarctic Exchange. I think CryptoFace, Jason Casper, a lot of those guys are Crypto Zombie. And those are all great guys. I love them all. They're great people. But for me, I'm going to use the exchange first. I'm going to try it out, see how it goes, and then we'll go from there. That's kind of how I do my decision making. I'm just super cautious. That's just how I am. Wex, no one got bonus. Don't go there. Yeah, see? Yeah. That's the thing, right? Yeah, don't go. Yeah, not gonna. Yeah, I gotta dip my toes first before I tell you guys, hey man, go use this exchange. I'm not here to grab your little trading fees. You know, that's not that's not my style. Maybe one more sweep of the low. Wishing you all a great day. Thank you, Gains for Life. K East bounce, nice. Yeah, not bad, 4% move. I'm flattish. Always optimistic, says Spyros. That's good. I think we will get a move. The timing doesn't make sense to me right now in my head. So I just, I still remain strong to my plan, which is that we will get an alt rotation with it either April or November, October kind of deal. So that's my idea. Fugazi. And we also have BloFin here. Non-KYC too, so you guys can just jump on that. Cashback, BloFin exchange. Kryptonic, good morning to you. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Happy Family Day, guys. Thank you so much for being here. In a little rollover right now. Not massive, obviously. It's slow motion today, my friends. The 4 hour trying to push back in here. The 3 hour has crossed the 0 line. Green dot confirmed. Okay, the 2 hour. Yeah, it's trying, but it's flat, right? It's trying, but it's flat. And like we came down 786 bounce in here. If we're looking at this, right? This was last night. We had a little bit of a rollover last night and then into our 786 area. A little bounce. Dave Digital probably took the 786 bounce. We did bull div down in here as well. But look at how choppy this is, right? We've gone through it all last week, and last week was great. We were 5 for 5 for trading. Like, high five to all you guys. 5 for 5. You can't do any better than 5 for 5. 100% win rate last week. So you guys are absolutely awesome. Good job, everybody. Good risk management. Some really quick trades last week. So in and out like a good boy scout, as they say, right? You got to be quick with it. Looking a little trigger wave in here, coming down, breaking the lows right now. So, a little bit of a reversal sign. But great week last week. NASDAQ continues to rip, okay? This is good looking here. Looking good. Good looking. S&P coming for those all-time highs, okay? Trying to tap through here at 61.27. Hasn't gotten through yet, but looking strong. The dollar rolling over. This is bullish, okay? These are good signs for our market. Also, if we look at something like gold, okay? As bad as it is and as much as we hate the gold, we can see that gold is on an absolute tear. Beautiful. Okay? Some good signs. So, optimistic. Not naive to the fact that we have, dumped pretty hard. So there's a lot of ground to make up, especially on those altcoins. And you look around at like Total 3, pretty beat up. Okay, pretty beat up. Trying to get back within this range. It has. Okay, holding in here would be nice. 900 billion market cap. Holding that would be nice. And then hopefully we can put in some strength in here and get going. Okay. That would be nice, but we'll see. It's not for us to determine. We're just here to participate and try to make the best decisions that we possibly can. Okay, rolling over to VWAP right now. Still a higher low, trying to push back in here. We can pull fib now that we've broken that. Impulse up. Okay, always impulse up. Whether the move start. Golden pocket 786 buy zone in here. So we can be looking in here for potential bounce. Okay. We'll see what we get. 260 people here. Thank you for being here, hanging out. Much love to every single one of you guys. You guys are incredible, man. You guys are incredible. Always supporting the channel, hanging out here. Hopefully we give you guys enough value that you feel like you can smash up that like button, subscribe if you are new. It's been a wild trip, man. 3 years on YouTube, and the channel seems to be growing. Like I'm truly honored. So thank you. It's you guys. It's you guys. I mean, I just come on here and talk a lot of shit and press buy and sell. We know that. So thank you guys for being here and hanging out with me. It means a lot to me. I appreciate you guys. So do we get like a market open? Do we call it market open today, or do we just go ding 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 and we call our own market open? RMT in the chat. Wix wife fine 89. RMT, you didn't send me a picture of an otter, man. What's going on, bro? I don't get it. You got your own emoji. You didn't even send me a picture of an otter, man. Don't use Wex. Dave Digital is the meth zone, not the meth zone. Oh, God. Can I look at Luna? No, man. I mean, I ended up with half my bonuses on Wex because I forgot I made an account earlier. Okay. So some people are getting their bonuses. That's not good. What is your entry point? For what? I'm in no trades right now. Board PC. Good to see you. Hoping for a Solana drop. I want more. Okay. Jared, what's going on? Too much slippage on BloFin. I agree. I do not scalp on BloFin. I swing trade on BloFin. There's no it's the fees are too expensive to scalp on BloFin. I agree with you, Jared. BloFin's more, I use it for swing trading alts. So when I give like a setup on altcoins in the Discord, I will take it on BloFin. So Alt TA, you can see here. I mean, beautiful Sui trade. Absolute banger. But I will take the alt swing trades on BloFin in the Discord. So all the setups and stuff, I will definitely be swing traded on BloFin. I won't be scalping in and out of positions on BloFin. That's for damn sure. If you do want to join our beautiful little Discord, come over and hang out. We'd love to have you. $1 a day. Time's running out. It's gonna go up. That's all I gotta say. We have a sale on $1 a day. This will change when we hit 10,000 subscribers. But for now, it's $1 a day. An amazing group of people, 4 traders helping you navigate these charts. An amazing family. Everybody saying good morning. Everybody participating. It's a great community. Very honored to be Lord Otter and King Beaver of the Discord. U.S. tax returns hitting bank accounts starting this week. I think we can see a bump from that. I don't know. It's like what? People are getting welfare checks or something like that. A bunch of big, huge tax returns. Everybody going to spend their money on crypto. I mean, there's an unlock on FTX as well. Okay, so there's. I think the biggest catalyst is obviously these Bitcoin reserves coming through on the state side and stuff like that. Just the scarcity, right? So we'll see how it does affect. I mean, there's lots of hopium. You can pick you can pick either side right now, right? Where there's no rate cuts, no printing of money, no quantitative easing, and then you can be like, okay, Bitcoin reserve. Like you can pick either side, whatever news you want. you're going to be, you can be biased any which way. I just want to see supply and demand shock. That's it, baby. That's, I think, it's going to be our best hope. Jay Becker, good morning. It's Y5 when you do high five across the internet. Sky 5 if you do one across the room to someone. High five. Okay. Bybit was great. I did enjoy Bybit, but they KYC'd everybody. VW, what's going on? Jay Violet, good to see you as well. Wix Wife Fine, 89, good to see you, wifey. Good to see you as well. RMT, Jesse, good luck. Rolling over here, coming into VWAP, still waiting for trades here. Gadwick Gaming. Paper gold gonna drop when they realize Nox inventory is 0. Are they gonna go in there and check if they have the gold? You guys think they're gonna check? They're like, hello, do you have any gold? Knock, knock, knock. Okay. You guys are all over this. Lord Otter, that's the one. Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. I watch hockey sometimes. Okay. It's the best sport. Like, you guys think, okay, I shouldn't generalize, but Americans think like football is the toughest sport ever. One, I get it. They're massive. They're big boys. They hit hard. Rugby, same kind of deal. The difference between hockey and those sports is the speed. Okay? You can skate like 60, 70 kilometers an hour. And getting hit by a 240-pound man on ice into boards. Just go and watch a video of hockey hit compilation. You'll be like, ooh, ah, ee, ah. Okay? Did you guys see the one where Donald Trump body checks Justin Trudeau into the boards? Did you guys see that one? It's a good hit by Kachuk. He puts the guy right into the boards, and then they dubbed it over with AI, making it Justin Trudeau getting smoked by Donald Trump. Absolute fire. Absolute fire. The internet is so good today. I mean, you got to enjoy the total memeage of Justin Trudeau getting absolutely annihilated by Donald Trump. Because that's what's happening. We're going to be the 51st state. We can't even beat them in hockey. I'm looking here to see if I can find it really quickly. I'm scrolling like a mofo. I can't seem to find it. But it's absolute. It's internet gold, right? This is why we love the internet now, because it's just absolute fire, where we can see someone like Trudeau getting absolutely ham-dazzled by Donald Trump. It's great. I can't seem to find it. I'm still looking. The Twitter feed just gets raunchier and raunchier. Make sure you're clicking on good stuff. A little pushback here. Talk dirty to me. Entry point. Jay Violet, Baby Otter. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Y5. I missed the joke, Piper. I'm slow today. A little pushback here. I don't even know if you can call it a market open. 400-pound men in football. Yeah, but they move like 2 kilometers an hour. Hockey players are much more mean. Yeah, hockey players, we're vicious. We have less teeth, too. What do you think about FTX repayments tomorrow? Well, they start by They start with small amounts. I'm sure they're only giving away certain amounts. And it's like, I don't know. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting. We'll see what happens. Where do you scalp? MexC. MexC. Scalping on MexC. Trying Bitunix a bit. BingX isn't bad either. I have a question. You feel good with what you are doing? Good morning. I have a question. Do you feel good with what you're doing? Yeah, absolutely, man. Absolutely. Let me get grandfathered into the dollar a day once it goes up. Quite possible. If you get in now, you're in $1 a day, right? So that's the thing. We had a $15 a day sale on Black Friday. That was the last time you'll ever get that price. But it's going to be probably the last time you get $30 a day or a month, sorry. Did he say BloFin? I did. Yeah. Is it BloFin? How do you say? Is it BloFin or BloFin? I would say BloFin. Alex has no humor. No, I'm failing. Oh my god. Most dangerous sport is paddleboarding at the Obamas. I'm done. This is a family program. I'm kidding. That's hilarious. Oh, my dog gives high fives. If you're, hold your hand up. Yeah, you have a cute ass dog, Piper. We know that. Wolf and Bear, good morning to you. Got a little bull flag coming here. Are we going to be so degen to trade a bull flag? What do you guys think? Long or short? Want to trade this bull flag breakout? Fuck it all. You guys are going to do that to me today, are you? Bull flag breakout trader. What do you trade? I trade bull flags. How could you justify taking along here? You could. Markets should never close. Well, they're open. They're just not fully open. Bitcoin 24/7, 365. Dusty Hunt, Canada will never be a state. Just give the orange man what he wants and shut up and stop booing the national anthem, man. You embarrassing Canadians. You embarrass me. I like my dog more than people. I like the Otter Gang and alumni better than the rest of people. All others can just leave me alone. Oof. It's BloFin. It's BloFin. It's BloFin. It's BloFin. Bluff. It's like BloFin. You guys seriously think it's BloFin? BloFin. It's BloFin. You guys are crazy. Oh man. I don't know what I'm gonna do with you guys today. I want to view the deleted message. What are you saying, crypto trader? Are you gonna be my entertainment today? I don't mind. Tony's all over it, but I don't mind handing out some whoop ass today. It's family day, baby. Thank you everybody for being here. We're waiting to see if Bitcoin does materialize. We got 290 people here, 108 likes. Thank you guys for smacking up those beautiful like buttons. I do appreciate it. What was your question, JR? I would love to answer it. I'm sorry if I missed it. I'm MexC, Paulo ID. Yeah, you could do that if you're into that. Trade the flag. No. You know I can't. I can't bring myself to trade a flag. And I'm not saying flags don't work. It was Flag Day in Canada on the weekend. When was Flag Day? Canada. I'm so bad, man. It was yesterday. Flag Day, right? And there was more pro-Palestine flags in Ottawa than Canadian flags. That's what's happened to my country. So it's an interesting world. Interesting world. I love my country. But we might just be Canadian Americans, Americanadian, whatever you want to call it. We'll hyphenate it. As long as the taxes are cheaper, I'm okay with it. Us Canadians, we don't mind. You can call us whatever. We're still going to have our igloos, our maple syrup, our polar bears. We'll say sorry and a boot. But and you want to lower our taxes? That's great. That's great. Yeah, booing the anthem is absolutely atrocious. It's very un-Canadian, and it's in my opinion, I should keep it to myself. It's this left agenda. Okay, we can go here. It's a left agenda of anti-Trumpism, whatever it is. You say what you want about Trump. The people voted for him. Tough shit, okay? Oh, we're going to trade this flag, baby. Here we go. We're going to trade the flag today, guys. Come on, breakout retest. We're trading the flag. I'm telling you, it's family day. We're trading the flag. Okay? We're trading this today. We're taking it all the way up to our sell zone up in here. The orb of yesterday. We're trading the flag today. We'll see how it goes. What was I saying? Yeah, these anti-Trump, the media has spun it out of control. You know, like I don't watch the news, but my grandparents watch the news, and it is such poison. It's either shooting, anti-Trump. It's like so propaganda. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. There's no real media in Canada anymore. And you've built up this narrative where everybody hates the Americans because they're tariffing Canada. Well, we've been riding their coats for a long time. So it's time to wake up, Canada. That's all I got to say. I'm not going to go down that road anymore. But it's sad. It's sad. It's sad. We'll all just be called North Americans. Yeah, right? That's it. I don't mind cheaper taxes. We'll put it that way. I'm doing my taxes right now, and it's not going to be pretty, okay? It's going to be expensive. Stock market is closed today for President's Day. Open up a can of whoop-ass. I just don't catch a D in your eye. Yeah, I told that D eye guy to go catch a D in the eye. There's no filter here. No filter here. Looking for a breakout retest here on our flag pattern. I almost called it the FAG word. Lifer loves some flags. Yeah, absolutely. Why not? Trade the flag after the double bottom with divergences. TP1 top of the flag. We're going to take the pole. I like poles. Take a pole. Move your pole. There's your target. It's going to play. Watch. It's going to play. Never mind TA. Just trade. We're going to just trade flags in the morning here. Are you guys down for the flag trading? Put a 1 in the chat if you trade flags. I won't make fun of you, I promise. I mean, they work sometimes. Like here, it worked really well. You got your pole. You got your flag here, right? And you got your pole here. That worked so good, man. Crushed it. Total, like you're totally getting stopped out here. Like amazing trade. Amazing. Just absolutely crushed it. Oh, fuck. Don't enter too early, guys. You got to wait for the breakout, okay? You got to wait for it to break. We're getting too sarcastic for a Monday morning, guys. Let's not do this, okay? Let's not do this. 0, 2, 0. Oh man. Guys, we should have took it. We should have took it, man. We should have took it. Oh man. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel, having a good laugh. I mean, it is slow price action right now. We are looking for the breakout of the flag here. Everybody new coming on is just like, this guy's trading flags. I'm out of here. He's talking about otters and flags. How am I ever going to make any money with this guy? If you are new here, thank you for being here. We're having a good time. You know, trading is waiting. We're waiting. I'm looking for VWAP in here. Look for a reaction on price action right now. We've mitigated the low coming down into here. We'll see if we can push up and out and break out of our flag. Or do we have an ascending? I don't know. What do we want to call it? Ascending triangle? A pyramid? Maybe we got a head and shoulders in here. I can see a little. We got a shoulder, a head, a shoulder, a shoulder. Maybe it's like Quasimodo pattern. You know? What do you guys think? We got a Quasimodo here. 2 shoulders, a head. Yeah? What do you guys think? We got the Quasi. We'll call this the Quasi here. We got the Quasimodo. We could go here. We got the Quasimodo breakout trade right now. All right. Looking for Quasi to break out, retest. This is an inverse. You trade the inverse of the Quasimodo, okay? It's going to go, man. Watch it go. It's going to break out, retest, and go. And we're going to be like sitting here with our no trade on. Not for me. I told you to front run it, didn't I? Did you? Otters, flags, hockey. Wait for it to come back to the VWAP. We're top of the range, right? Like literally top of the range. We should be looking for shorts here, okay? Top of the range. Right? Premium discount, okay? Here comes the breakout of the flag. We got the break. If this plays today, guys, I'm going to absolutely cry. I'm done. I'm done with it. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 285 people on the live here, 118 likes, guys. If you wouldn't mind just smashing up that like button. We're still here waiting. It's going to be an interesting day, to say the least. It just hit 9 o'clock, so thank you guys for being here. The NASDAQ continues to rip. The S&P trying to get above those all-time highs. The dollar ripping downwards. We had a little bounce here for Ethereum. Everybody getting all excited. Okay. We were looking for a long from down here it felt like a month down in here. Okay, we have hit it multiple times where it's hit this area. Okay, we've had our key level of support here. Looking for the long at 26.30. It bounced, okay. Here's a retest. Let's zoom in on the 1 minute here. So we have the breakout. Here comes the retest. Guys, I can't trade this. I'm not gonna. There's no way. You can't convince me. You can't make me do it. It's a fake out. Inverse Quasimodo flag. Got it. Taking notes. That's the one, man. That's the one. Esmeralda top. Let's go. Wolf and Bear's learning lots today. This is where you don't take a trade, Wolf and Bear. Good afternoon, people, or morning. Thank you for being here, Attila. Otto, good to see you as well. Jesse's in here. I'm back. I was entering an OM long TRX short, ADA short. That's a lot of trading, man. It's a lot of trading. Jesse, good luck. Bake out. It's a bake out. Traded the flag. Look, it's working. There was our retest. Here's our breakout now. Look at this thing go. It's ripping, guys. We had a retest. There's our entry right there. It's going to run away from us. Put a 1 in the chat if you're trading the flag breakout. I would love to know. It's okay. This is a safe place. This is a safe place. You guys are trading the breakout? Oh my god, you guys are up. You guys are crushing it. Trading ETH, Bitcoin not moving. Alex, do you limit in and out of every trade? Mostly, yes. Mostly. Very rarely. I would say 95% of the time I'm limiting in and out. I'm seeing if it retraces at the 618 golden pocket swing low to swing high. You looking over here? So we do have some sort of like inverse, I don't know what you want to call this, bottoming structure. We have bull divs in here. Okay, bull divs in here. Swing high to swing low. Golden pocket in here. Okay, nice order block in here. Confluence as well for over in here. Okay. This would be my sell zone for continuation down if we're looking for it. Okay, mitigation of the highs in play as well. So we can look for this as well. We'll see how that plays out here. We do have some downtrending momentum too coming in here. So this area 96.7 is going to be that area of confluence where if we are looking for a short, it would be in here. Golden pocket 786, order block over here. Okay. We have a lot of confluence within this area. Okay. That's where I would look to short. Okay. Now, coming up to the highs here, trying to get above here. Trapping longs possibly is what I would think right now. because we're at the top of this horrendous little range, right? This would be our top bun, right? This would be our top bun if we're isolating price and we're treating this like the hot dog we know, and we're looking for this to be the bun, right? This is our bun. The flag's playing out to the upside right now, though. Okay. Maybe it's chasing the east pump. Not for us to decide. Volume is dismal right now, okay? Very, very ugly. Trying to push. We had a little push up here into the highs right here. Okay, and then a rejection right back down. Look at this flag play out perfectly. Look at this, man. Guys, I should just leave. I should just leave. Right? This is what upsets me. Is that they work sometimes, right? Yeah, swing low to swing high here. 786 bounce, continuation. If anything. Shout out to those who are in the flag. Let's go. Let's go, flag traders. What is the measured move? 96.8. I don't trade like this. Never will. This is a double top right now, mitigation of the high. That's what I see. I do not see this flag. I got to get rid of this on my mitigation of the high. Double top, flag breakout, volume coming in. Coming up for this high in here. I missed the flag play, guys. I missed it. Sorry, Jabes. Everyone's trading ETH. It's a strange day, yeah. What do you think about ETH? Yeah, value area high, $2,800. See how it reacts up in here, right? That's how I would look at it. The key level for ETH to get above is 29. This is more macro support and resistance, okay? Coming up, mitigating the high right now, rejection. I'm looking for a short up in here. We'll see if we get it. Nice push for Bitcoin. Should have traded the flag, guys. I'm sorry. Should have traded it. Not my style. At all. Sorry. Nice little push here for Bitcoin. Quite deviated from the highs. Quite deviated from the VWAP as well. I might look to take a short here. Looking to take a short up in here. We'll see what we get. Stream doesn't seem too laggy. I think it's the weather right now. I like this rejection here. Can we get a rejection out of here? Yeah. Little rejection. Might look to get short here. Can we get a rejection? No rejection. Follow through so far. I want to see this slap down. Nice push here for Bitcoin. Should have traded the flag, everybody. Should have traded the flag. Damn, that flag got us good today, man. Taking the piss out of the flag. Now the flag's taking the piss out of us. Key sell zone here. I'd like to see just a push back down. It's got a push. Rejection underneath the low in here. That would be a sell signal for me. Right now, follow through is good. Coming up into that trend line. We got 786 at the height here. Order block in here. Golden pocket right here. Trend line right here, okay? Still waiting. Nice follow through here. 1 minute. That flag got us this morning. Crypto Cheek says don't short. No trade yet. Nice push here for Bitcoin. Do we get some bullish news or anything like that? Or is it just it's just doing its thing? Dominance dropping. I would look for this to get pushed back into the range here. We're very deviated from VWAP here. That measured move, baby. Target basically hit for that measured move. Nice push. Is anybody in the long? Some people said they're long from below. That's pretty cool. Good job. You caught that bull div down in here. That would be the one. Bull div was at like 12 o'clock at night, though. So you get the retest at 2 a.m. and the continuation out. Higher, low, continuation. Big push here for Bitcoin. I mean, big push for a holiday, a holly bob. No short, just waiting. Liquidity at the highs up in here at 97. We've hit our 786 right now. That's our 786 level. So we hit our 786. We're above the downtrending momentum, getting a little bit of a rejection here. Five-minute overextension. Trapping late longs right now. I mean, retest of previous highs on the table for continuation long here. Breakout continuation. So you could be looking for this within here. If it's going to continue. Okay, that's if. Nice push for Bitcoin here. Got a lot of liquidity at the lows now. Nice push here. Breakout retest of the trend line. Jeez, it's going, eh? It's going. It wants to go. Coming up for the liquidity in this high in here as well. Bitcoin's ripping. Shout out to those who are in the long, took the flag trade. You guys are incredible. You guys are incredible. Money, money, honey. Money, money, honey. Make fun of the flag again, right? Yeah. I got told. It's like an inverse BART we can see here too, right? We got the drop down yesterday, right? So we got the BART, I guess you could call it, right? A little bit of hopium in the morning, baby. Love it. I love it. Your inverse head and shoulder playing out to the upside. You take your stick, you put the stick thingy-mabobber. You make money off the stick, baby. Bitcoin. All right. Wrecking the bulls, wrecking the bears. Both ways. Both ways. It doesn't care, does it? The Bitcoin price action does not give two smacks about. Lately, it's been a weird one with the TA. I mean, we've gotten away unscathed. No trade today so far. Just chilling. This is not a trade that I would take. Not you have continuation here and a push out. Okay, it's not about that flag. In my opinion, it's the bull div here. Okay, we got bull divs in here. We got higher lows all the way out. So higher lows, continuation. Okay, I was looking lower for VWAP. I was looking for the long. It never came to my area, right? Therefore, it's not justifiable for me to trade a flag. Okay, it's just not my style. But a nice breakout to say the least. We do have a retest here of our downtrending momentum. Okay, is it a breakout? I'd like to see, at least a 15-minute candle close above the high here. That would give me more confidence. Typically, if you're looking for a retest, breakout, retest of previous highs, we would be looking here. That would be more ideal in my opinion. Okay. This is the short zone. We have order block 786, golden pocket in here, right? Is it going to come down? We don't know, right? So we wait. We wait right now. It's always important to zoom out. I know we're always in the fine wine here, fine wine business. We always zooming in. You got to have that bigger outlook, right? You got to look at the map. You got to see where you got to go, and then you got to press start route, and then it zooms in. This is start route. This is the map, right? So you always got to look at the map first. Big rollover here, right? Typical like liquidity grab in here. The trend is still down, okay? Not trying to be a bearer of bad news, but The trend is still down. Okay, people are buying this thing up like hotcakes right now. It's really trying to hold this breakout area. The bulls are fighting. The bulls are fighting. Okay. Coming into 9:30, we got 10 minutes. Do we consider this market open, or are we going to call it the crypto open today? Oh, big rejection coming in here. Nice rejection. If we lose this, we can look for a short here. Interesting. If we lose this, definitely be looking for a short. $786 rejection. If we lose the trend line, right? So rejection back down. You could come back down to VWAP very easily. All the bulls getting absolutely destroyed. That's one thing I noticed too in my trading and reflection, looking at my journal, is there's almost like a hesitation to take shorts, and would have made a lot of money on a lot of them. Okay, so we saw the setup, we didn't take the setup, that kind of deal. So that's always something too. It's like, am I long biased lately? Am I, the long bias, I think, comes from, yes, we're in a bull market. Yes, we should be trading with trend. However, it comes a lot from the hodl bags, right? We want our hodl bags to go up, which isn't necessarily a good thought pattern when we're trying to be neutral with trading, right? If we took the 786, we'd be up right now, right? So it's like, if this, then that, if this, then that kind of deal. Big rejection coming in here, looking for the retest back in here. So if we get a breakdown and a retest, we can look for a continuation trade here back into the middle of this boring ass range. If we get it, okay? Nice rejection off the 786 here. Halfway back up the candle too. No trade yet, just waiting. Thank you everybody for being on the live. We're getting a little fake and bake and pump and dump. We'll see what we get today. Looking okay here. Coming back down, so we could be looking for the long in here. Jeez, that's nasty. Anybody chase that price action, you're going to be sorry for that one. Here's that rejection back in. Could have taken the 786 trade, right? So this is a breakout retest continuation trade now. So now we're in this kind of situation where we can look for this possibility right now. Okay. Late longs, right? Late longs coming up into our sell wall, closing below the trend line, fake out above the trend line. Okay. So if this, then that. Remember, we talk about environment here. Whipsaw price action, right? Whipsaw price action. Wrecking the bulls, wrecking the bears, right? Don't round trip your bags. Don't round trip your trades either, right? Breaking down now. Jeez. Measured move hit on the flag, though, guys. Measured move hit on the flag. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Wow, big rejection. Now a big rejection. Okay, so look at that coming into our east sell wall as well. Okay. Interesting, man. It's dangerous. This is dangerous. Thank you everybody for being here, hanging out. It's a holiday and we're live. We got 330 people in here. You wouldn't mind just giving that like button a smash for me. I know it's a pain in the ass, but it does help out. We are slowly growing here. So, we just hit 7,800 subscribers. I'm flabbergasted. I don't know what to say about it. You guys are fucking top notch, man. Thank you. Eat my humble pie every day. Definitely long bias to a fruit. To a fault, sorry, to a fruit. Cool TA, thanks. Thanks for being here, Judge. Good morning to you. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Bake and Bake, he says, I'm about to have a THC hootski. He's hitting poppers, man. Watch out. Watch out, man. Canadian. They don't know what poppers are. I'm sure JR does. No rejection here. Beautiful 786 rejection. Dave Digital took the 786 rejection, didn't he? Look at that. Love a 786 rejection. Fake out to the upside. Getting everybody and their brothers and sisters and their grandmothers all bullish this morning. Coming into a retest zone, okay? I guess market open. If we're going to call it market open, that would be in 3 minutes. Closed today, though. Everything looking good, though. Everything's looking really good in the market. Coming back in here. So now this high becomes liquidity. Okay, so that is now that 786 has been taken, so that's not valid, but the liquidity at the high is. You know, this beautiful parabolic uptrend here, trying to push. Be a little bit more accurate with that. Coming back into a retest of previous high zone. Looking for a continuation here. No trade for me yet. Just waiting. Okay, late longs getting wrecked. Fair value gap in here as well. I can look down here. That would be better in my opinion. I'm a little bit lower and bounce. Retest that flag. Oh, man. Breakout, retest, continuation trade on the table right now. Right into market open. Not my favorite. Even though it's not market open, we can still treat it like market open because it's definitely how it gets treated. Overextended. VWAP's resetting now. Okay, so we can look for the next push up here. Within our market cipher, look for this. Still waiting. Volume picking up in this candle. Good buy up here. I like that. Suggesting continuation to the upside. That's what this is doing. Slam back down. Okay, it's slapping back down. I wouldn't be surprised if we slap into VWAP here. After all that. Wouldn't be surprised, especially because we're topping out on like key levels on Ethereum right now. Everybody's watching ETH. You know, even Larry Fink's grandmother's always watching ETH too. If we zoom out here and we can see when, you know, Larry Fink's grandmother, when they launched Ethereum, right? This is Larry Fink's grandmother. Welcome to ETH, Grandma. This has been a hard chart for Grandma. She's on the phone to Larry. She's like, Larry, I bought the top. Then it went down. Then it went sideways. And you didn't tell me to sell at 30. And now we're back down to 19. Larry, what the fuck's going on? Welcome to Ethereum, Grandma. Sorry about that. I told you to buy the top. Okay? Everybody's watching Ethereum. Even Larry Fink's grandmother. Okay? Want to see it go? Market is now open, I guess you'd say. Bit of a fake out, in my opinion, this morning. Friends, this is pretty shitty price action. I'm not going to lie. Like, that looks like a move, right? That's 0.5%. That's 0.5% of a move. Okay, it's paint dry, in my opinion. V-shaped recovery, yeah. Do not touch that button. Massey, it's too expensive, man. The reverse button is absolute garbage. Okay? Too much fees. Just close the trade and re-enter the trade. How's the corn today, fam? Good to see you, Pennywise. Corn did a flag breakout today. We missed the flag breakout. The flag breakout with the measured move. Okay, we missed the measured move, flag breakout. It actually hit to the T. Now we have a breakout retest continuation trade on the table, but Dixie's okay. So no stock market today. Nasdaq's it's trading, but it's pretty flat, okay? Pretty flat. I would say this is flat AF if I was to use woke language. Just waiting right now. 326 people in here. Thank you for being here. We're live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. It's a bit of a burger today, friends. I'm not gonna lie. I knew there was a holiday today, but it's almost like we would have to force a trade right now, which is not. You never want to force a trade. This does look like it wants to go up. It looks like it wants to go up. Not gonna lie. Breakout, retest, continuation trade right now. Right, you could have taken the long right there. Very, very clean setup. Not for me. Not when we're chopping in here. We got liquidity down below in here. Not for me. We wait. Anything else getting a rip to the upside? We got injectives going up 7% today. Ethereum up 5%. Celestia up 5%. Okay, render. Meme coins, let's see. All right, MOG is up 16% today. Pepe's up 7%. Nice. ETH Pepe, right? ETH and Pepe. Might want to look at Lido. I want to look at Arbitrum, Optimism. Those might be all right. And a little bit of movement today, which is good. Everybody happy to see dominance come down a tiny bit. Still at 60%, friends. Little pushback here on Bitcoin. Trying to push up. 934. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Discord, firing it off, man. We have a Discord later on today at 12. We can go over some trading strategy stuff. Maybe we'll go over altcoins, how we pick them, how we're winning. If you want to join our beautiful little community here, it's $1 a day. 4 traders helping you be profitable. Amazing guys, amazing gals. Okay, great setups. Absolutely crushing the charts, kicking ass, taking names. We even trade butthole coin. Okay, we get into butthole. Well, Thesis does. Thesis likes to trade butthole. I think. I too don't like that I'm even posting this. However, despite its name, butthole looks decent. I mean, you gotta have fun. You gotta have fun. Looks like we got some continuation here. Retest to the highs. Crypto Billy on Crypto Nightcap with TradeFly tonight. Let's see it. Looking forward to it. Often Your Crypto says your dedication to your community is awesome. I try, man. That's the one thing I promise to always do, and that's show up. I show up as every single day. No days off. This is a family stream, Alex. Also, Alex, we get into butthole here. That's it, right? I mean, I clicked the button that says it's not for kids, so I can say fuck and butthole and whatever. I can talk a lot of shit. Kulo coin, okay? I'm sure there's a Kulo. There's so many stupid coins out there now. President's Day no market. R.S. Miller, what's going on, man? R.S. Miller, we managed to squeak you into our group photo here. We got R.S. Miller and his Poochie. Look at R.S. Miller's in the bottom here. There he is. We got Sniper's Nightmare. We got Tony Soprano, Tradefly, Army Piper, Dave Digital, Alexandra G, Lunar Beaches Crypto, Thesis, Brewberry, Nick Musgrave, Kyle. Oh my God. So many legends. Melissa, Jay Violet, Jesse. I mean, I don't know. Wick 589. Let's go. Crypto Billy. I almost got to label this. I know Scott, I think French Toaster. Look at this thing, man. French Toaster all cute and shit. I don't know if French Toaster's that cute in real life, but we'll give it to his otter's pretty cute, man. Look at this guy. It's the first form of pop-up notifications known to man. French Toaster. A little pushback here, coming back up. I would look for a rejection here. This volume's horrible, my friends. I'm sorry. This is not something. I can't force it. Like it's just not in me. It's like gambling, in my opinion, right now. This is very slow. You can take a short down into VWAP. You can take this. It doesn't look good. Is anybody else in a trade? Unless you're long from the lows right now, I don't think you should be in a trade. Unless you're long from here. Like you could be long from over here. I don't know what you're doing over here. Maybe you're a swing trader. But unless you're long from in here, I don't see why you'd be in a trade. Or a continuation pattern in here or in here. Off the flag. If you're in the flag trade. This is no trade zone, right? Like you have liquidity at the highs here. You need to sweep. You want to see a breakout continuation here. We have the retest of previous highs and a breakout trying. We have some bullishness in the market today, suggesting more upside. I'm sure Michael Saylor's buying. Liquidity at the highs here, liquidity at the lows. This bottoming structures I'm not a big fan of. In the movement, like 1% moves. We're looking for 1% moves. There's no 1% move in here today for me. I'd have to really be a tryhard. Not on Family Day. Happy Family Day to everybody. If you do join the Discord, you are part of the Otter family. It's your other family, you know. So Look at all these. I had to go and everybody who sent one of these with no background removed, you made me do a lot of work. I'm just letting you know. A lot of work. I don't know if I've added you yet, Massey. I got to add you. These are the last two I'm going to add. You guys making me work overtime. Look at all these. I've had to add all these people in here with your dang pictures. I love you guys. It's okay. No trade for me today, guys. I can't bring myself to force it. What are you guys thinking? I'm long from 95.5 and now for a scalp. Okay. Playing the daily open break. Okay. Maybe like an orb in here. Your daily open break. I can see that. Have a wonderful day, all set. Take the short. Yeah. Yeah, imagine coming back to your wife and saying, I made 3x by selling my butthole today. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Good morning, Otters. I'm a bit late today. Good to see you, One Harmony. Hopefully you're doing well. Beautiful trade. Short man, Muzi. Good morning to you. Thank you for being here. You are right. Philip Coin, good to see you as well. Quick short, says Ryan H. Paul Caruso, your bevy of otters is getting too crowded. Yeah, it's a lot of otters. Maybe Asia will do something tonight. Probably, yeah. Setting up for something in the morning or for the morning. It's all at liquidation zone, trying to wait for another 1 hour bull div. Yeah. Still waiting here. Quick short. It's not. You'd have to be cheap here. You could be cheap. Take something like that. Back into our VWAP down below here. That would be ideal. That's if there was a trade I was going to take today, this would be it. But I'm not taking it. I'm not taking a trade today. It's like paint dry, man. This is paint dry price action. We should have taken the flag breakout, right? Or the 786 short would have been good too. The problem was we had the threat of a breakout retest continuation here. So to fade this momentum would be risky in my opinion. So that was no trade. This was absolute dog shit this morning. So we have our beautiful flag breakout. Higher lows, right? Off of the bull div from yesterday night, right? Still bullshit in my opinion. Got the Quasimodo hunchback head and shoulders. This would be what I was looking for. And it would be into here. That's it. That's all I'd be looking for. That would be my trade if I was to take one today. I'm not taking this. Not for me. Mitigation of this high. Rolling over now. But that would be my trade. I could put $2 on it if you guys want me to take a trade today, but I'm not gonna. There's peace in the fact of not taking a trade, and you need to be comfortable as a trader, not being in a position. is like so crucial. Not being in a position is a position. Okay, you're gonna get into some risk where you're uncomfortable. You think it can work, but you're not seeing the chart properly, or you're not, wanting to sit around for this. Could take half an hour. F that, right? F that, not for me. On your bike. Can we look at stocks? Yeah, what stocks would you like to look at? Tesla? ETH went to the moon. ETH is in a sell wall right now. Trying to break out. Got some good bullish momentum on ETH. I mean, ETH is still in the shithole zone. It needs to get above 2,900. Okay? Welcome, Jared. Thank you for being here. Robert, good morning to you. Ryan, board PC guy. Dave Digital. Spyros, good morning to you. Hi, new here. What's your trading style? What do you look for? So typically, we're trading VWAP. We're looking to make 1% each day from the market. Bullish divergence, continuation trades, VWAP trades, orb trades now. High-low closes, wick tests, continuation trades, retests, market structure shifts, balloon dogs, stiletto patterns. There's a lot of different trading styles. It depends on what we're seeing, volatility-wise, but we're here every Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., trading live. The risk is in the chat, I'm sure. And this is our full-time gig, so thank you for being here. Can you check gold? Yeah, we looked at gold earlier, and it is kind of topping out, to be honest. We do have a higher low coming in here on gold, so gold does look okay. I mean, absolute ripper to the upside here on gold if we are looking at this big-ass move it has right now. So a nice move. Higher lows until this is mitigated. Look for continuation, right? As you continue to make higher lows, this was a big rollover, so I would be concerned here if this is toppy. But gold's looking okay. Obviously had a nice big 9% move recently, so nice move for gold. Continuing onwards and upwards, okay? If we're looking for targets, we could pull this. We could see we're hitting that 1618 extension level from our previous range, so getting a little bit overextended. I would probably see it come back down, but right now it's nonstop to the upside. If we're looking at any sort of tech stuff, obviously Tesla's been beaten up because everybody's fighting Elon Musk, but this is almost like a perfect retest to 333 here on Tesla here, coming back within our highs of our previous range and trying to break out on Tesla. Coinbase flagging out. Okay, here's your flag trade, but just retesting previous highs as well, trying to go, right? So a lot of things kind of in a state of flux. I think that's just the uncertainty, right? We look at our weekly candle, we can see that this is just the epitome of uncertainty, right? We're zooming in here and we want to see exactly what we're looking at. We're looking at a candle that has no idea which way it wants to go. That's it. Right? We don't need to complicate things. We are in a range. We are going sideways. It's been Chop City, and we are uncertain of where we're going, right? If we look at our daily, this looks like a bloody caterpillar, right? Said it to Tom Crown, but this looks like a catty pillar. I said catty pillar. Oh, man. But, yeah, it's trying to go, right? I mean, liquidity below us, bull divs, hidden bull divs in here, okay? Bear divs in here on the weekly. Breaking down, right? So if this, then that kind of trading. Volatility, pretty wild. Whipsaw price action, round trip price action, right? if you're taking trades, right, even on this breakout, you got to pay yourself. Otherwise, you're going to round trip yourself. So be cautious of the round trip. Make sure you guys are taking profits along the way. Gonna make for a much happier trading experience, in my opinion. We were 5 for 5 last week on the live stream, so we absolutely crushed it last week. And it's been fun. It's been fun. And you know, sometimes you got to stay out of the trade. We had 2 no trade days last week as well. We had 1 trade on Monday, no trade because of news, and then we had 3 for 3 and then 1 for 1. So we were 5 for 5. So pretty wild. What is your best setup trade in trading for you? That my A+ setups are mine. They're my edge, and for my edge only. No, I have a lot of A+ setups. You'll see them as you pay attention. That's pretty much privy to my Discord friends in there. But there's a lot of trade setups. If you know what to look for, you know how to trade this. Okay, that's one of them. If you know how to trade the balloon dog, that's another one of them. Okay. Oh, fuck. There's a bunch of them. At the end of the day, we practice good risk management and we take successful trades every single day. It's always fun. I'm really chill today. It's family day. That's enough out of me today, guys. Looks like it's trying to push back up here. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. I'll be here tomorrow. I'll be in the Discord later on at noon. But thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for subscribing, liking the video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, all right? Take care. Much love. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang.